Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. This Mazda is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 24,604 miles. Discover the thrill of driving with this 2010 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Experience sporty handling, sleek design, and open-air freedom. Perfect for weekend adventures or daily commutes. Don't miss out on this iconic roadster. Schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned MX-5 Miata comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. Safety was put first by the following features: adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.